Imagine having a smart chatbot as your secret weapon in the world of online marketing. ChatGPT is not your typical chatbot. It's like a friendly AI assistant. It understands your needs, thinks creatively, and responds like a human. Best of all, it's here to supercharge your SEO strategy. Whether you're brainstorming blog topics or diving into technical details of SEO, ChatGPT is your go-to helper, making your SEO game stronger and easier. So, let's discover how ChatGPT can help you conquer the world of SEO. Using ChatGPT for SEO is a powerful way to enhance your content and strategy. Here are some steps to make the most of it. Step 1. Get your creative juices flowing with ChatGPT. When it comes to SEO and content marketing, you need new ideas to keep people interested. Sometimes it's tough to think of new topics, especially if you've been at it for a while. But don't worry, ChatGPT is here to help. Just tell it who your audience is, and it'll give you personalized content ideas. Step 2. Boost your keyword game with ChatGPT. Now that you have your content ideas, it's time to find the right keywords. ChatGPT is like an extra tool in your SEO toolbox. It helps you discover related keywords that can boost your content. Whether you're just starting or looking to expand, ChatGPT's free help makes it easier to choose the best keywords for your content. Step 3. Get a boost in keyword ideas with ChatGPT. So, you've got your topics, but you need the right keywords to make your content shine. ChatGPT can help brainstorm a list of keywords that fit your content. You can even tell it if you want long, detailed keywords or ones with specific purposes. It's like a keyword suggestion genie. While it won't replace the big keyword research tools, it's a handy sidekick to speed things up. Step 4. Supercharge your keyword ideas with ChatGPT. Imagine you've got your content ideas ready, but now you need the perfect keywords to make your content stand out. ChatGPT can be your keyword brainstorming buddy. You can even ask it for long, detailed keywords or specific ones. It's like a magic keyword helper. While it won't replace the big keyword research tools, it's a nifty tool to speed up the process. You can also use these keyword suggestions to create FAQs or catchy headings for your SEO content. It can come up with questions and then give you the answers. This helps you create expert-level content faster. Even if you rewrite what ChatGPT says to match your brand style, it's a great way to start. When you thoroughly answer common questions, it shows you really know your stuff. In turn, that can help you move up in the search results for your main terms. That's good for both your material and your SEO. Step 5. ChatGPT creates SEO content tailored for you. ChatGPT is your go-to for making all sorts of content, from blog bits to emails and social media stuff. Just tell ChatGPT how you want it to sound, and it can whip up content that matches your brand style. It's like having a writing assistant who knows your brand's voice. Step 6. ChatGPT crafts titles and descriptions for SEO. Not only can ChatGPT help with writing blog stuff, but it can also assist with SEO details like meta titles and descriptions. If you're stuck with writer's block, just ask ChatGPT for a bunch of choices. It's like having a handy helper for your website's search optimization. Step 7. Boost your website with schema markup. Schema markup is like a secret code you add to your website to make it look cooler on search results. It helps you show off stuff like events, reviews, and videos. When your site looks better on search pages, more people click on it, and that's great for your website traffic. Step 8. Boost SEO insights with regex. Ever heard of regex? It's like a secret code for SEO pros. It helps you dig deeper into tools like Google Analytics or Search Console. With regex, you can track not only your main keywords, but also other versions like similar words and numbers. It's like getting a magnifying glass for your SEO performance analysis. How does ChatGPT make SEO content strategies more efficient? Now we will discover. But wait, if you are enjoying this video and want to see more like it, leave a like and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Tap the bell icon to turn on notifications to stay updated with all our latest videos. Why use ChatGPT for your SEO strategy? Using ChatGPT to support your SEO content strategy has several benefits. Firstly, it can help streamline your processes while being cost-efficient. ChatGPT is a free tool that can assist with tasks such as content ideation, generating meta descriptions, and crafting meta titles. However, it's essential to note that ChatGPT shouldn't be the sole source of your keyword research, as it lacks detailed data on keyword volume, difficulty, and cost per click, CPC. Additionally, ChatGPT can save you time. AI tools are excellent at conducting research more rapidly than humans, efficiently gathering and organizing relevant information. Moreover, ChatGPT can generate content at a faster pace, reducing the time needed for content creation. While you may still need to make some tweaks for reader experience and style, the overall time saved is significant. Furthermore, ChatGPT can alleviate manual, repetitive tasks in your SEO strategy. It can help you find related keywords and frequently asked questions, allowing your team to invest more time in strategy, editing, and creative work. Lastly, ChatGPT can help people be more creative and imaginative. What if you or your team ever get stuck on a project and need a new way of looking at it? In that case, ChatGPT can generate new ideas, suggest tactics, and identify subtopics that might not have been considered previously. In essence, ChatGPT becomes a valuable tool to augment your SEO content strategy, helping you work more efficiently and creatively. In the dynamic world of digital marketing, ChatGPT shows great promise in enhancing SEO strategies. However, it's essential to remember that ChatGPT complements human ingenuity rather than replacing it entirely. The most effective results arise from a harmonious relationship between AI assistance and human creativity. While ChatGPT streamlines content generation and idea generation, it's important to acknowledge that SEO encompasses technical elements such as website performance. For a robust online presence, it's advisable to explore Bluehost's web hosting solutions, ensuring that your technical foundations are as strong as your content creation. Balancing AI support with human expertise is the key to thriving in the competitive landscape of digital marketing. How do you think ChatGPT's creative content ideas will benefit your online marketing efforts? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, leave a like and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Tap the bell icon to turn on notifications to stay updated with all our latest videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.